Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale without arrow keys. Many players find using the WASD keys a natural and comfortable alternative for movement. Simply use W for up, A for left, S for down, and D for right. This setup is widely adopted in PC gaming, offering a familiar feel and precise control over your character's four-directional movements. It's a straightforward way to enjoy the game if arrow keys are unavailable or uncomfortable. Another excellent option is to play Undertale using a gamepad. The game offers native support for many popular controllers, making it a seamless experience. Just plug in your controller before starting the game, and you should be ready to go. You can use either the D-pad or the left analog stick for character movement, providing a comfortable and often more ergonomic way to navigate the underground for hours on end. For ultimate customization, consider using key remapping software. Programs like AutoHotkey or ReWASD allow you to assign arrow key functions to virtually any other keys on your keyboard. This means you can create a personalized control scheme that perfectly suits your preferences or specific accessibility needs. It offers incredible flexibility, ensuring you can play Undertale exactly how you want, regardless of your default keyboard layout. Exploring alternative control methods for Undertale offers several key benefits. It significantly improves comfort for many players, especially during extended gameplay sessions. These options also provide solutions if your arrow keys are broken or simply not ideal for your setup. Ultimately, customizing your controls, whether through WASD, a gamepad, or remapping software, ensures a more enjoyable and accessible experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.